PLN Kapardi, consultant cardiologist in Global Hospital. Today I want to enlighten regarding the heart problems and what are the advances in the treatment of the heart diseases. That is the main subject. Regarding the heart problems, the first and foremost, the common thing is development of the blocks in the heart blood vessels supplying the blood to the heart. So the diseases are called ischemic heart disease or coronary artery diseases. So this will lead to the chest pain. And the second important category is damage of the heart valves. So the valves become damaged, which may lead to the blockage of the valves or leakage of the valves. These are called valvular heart diseases. Especially this occurs most commonly due to the rheumatic problems in the childhood. So the joint pains, which is called rheumatic fever, and that ultimately lead to the damage of the valves, lead to the rheumatic heart diseases. And third category is defects during development of the heart that lead to the development of holes between the rooms of the heart and valve blocks. These are called congenital heart diseases. Why? Because the defects will start from birth onwards. So that's why they are called congenital heart diseases. And the fourth important is because of now heart diabetes and blood pressure both are prevalent in the society, and if they are uncontrolled, that will damage the heart muscle as well as heart blood vessels. So these are called hypertensive heart disease and diabetic heart diseases. And apart from these categories, the important is alcohol related and some pregnancy related. So this is called alcoholic cardiomyopathy and peripartum cardiomyopathies. So these are the miscellaneous diseases. So out of all, the most prevalent in the society is coronary artery disease. That is development of the fatty blocks in the heart blood vessels that led to the decreased blood flow to the heart muscle. So basically the symptoms of this coronary artery disease will vary from the benign, that is harmless manifest silent heart problems, that is called, to the most harmful or malignant manifestation, that is a sudden cardiac death. So the spectrum will vary from a silent problem to sudden cardiac death. So the silent problems more common in diabetes, especially those who have uncontrolled sugars, and in elderly people and in the females. In these three categories, the silent heart problems are very common, and these can be detected just by taking a ECG after 40 years. All diabetics, females and elderly people should have the ECG, so to detect these silent heart problems.